welcome back to Sakura's Wonderland. Today, what we are going to do is makeups and tattoos, and mostly tattoo. I'm making a different kind of tattoos. These from drawing color pencils. These are 12. It is 12, and for how we make from color pencils. Here I have a jar of water in this plastic. You can see the line. So we put color pencil, any color pencil, any color. You can dip it in the water for 5 minutes or half an hour, but I will keep it for 5 minutes. So yeah, or you can just dip it and take it out. It will work. And so that is color pencils look, and then you can draw in your skin, wherever in your skin. Not in a head. That's funny. So here, this is my makeup bag where I keep all my makeup. So what do you want to start with? I think I want to start with color pencils. Yes, let's do it. I mean tattoos. Okay, let's do it. That's the cupboard behind. Sorry about that. The cupboard is behind because because I just closed the door. So first we should use whites. Let me dip it in the water. I think I'll make a flower. Yeah, flower. Flower is okay. Over here. You can color anything. Okay, it's happening good. So you can't see over here. You will see. This is for tracing. Once we draw everything with this white color pencils, we choose other colors like blue, like that, guys. And guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm just starting my video, Sakura's Wonderland. That's why I was saying Sakura's Wonderland. And this is my second video. My first video, my mom is editing. It is having makeup. And I'll guys see you with the tattoo in 1 minute. So here's my tattoo done. I made a flower already. Now I'm gonna make the town. The roots. Okay, done with this. No leaves, nothing. Just our normal flower. I think I'm gonna use blue. But I like makeup the most. But my mother doesn't let me do like foundation, eyeliner, like that. Eyelashes, some brows like that, cheeks. Okay. Now I'm gonna use brown so that I can make the stem. Here's a stem coming out. Ta-da! My tattoo is ready. I'm going to show you a closer look. And it's going to be dry soon. This is how my tattoo looks. These are flower, normal flower, no leaves, no roots, no that where we keep the matka. I don't know what it calls. Now we are going to move on to our makeup. That's funny, guys. Funny, very funny. Okay. So first we are going to put some blush. I put with this. Let's open it. Whoa. So this is blush. This is for, I made this myself only. Just tap it in and take it. See guys, blush, blush, blush. You can do it with your hand also. Okay, go. Photo left over here. Okay, it looks good. And now let's put it in the eye like this. Okay, great. Okay, next is some. Wait, what I do have? Oh, I dropped some powder right over here. It's okay. Boom, 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 boom. Just waterfall. Oh, guys, my favorite part to do some waterfall. There, see, it's coming. Okay, clean up. Yeah, this is called cleaning. Okay, next is D2. Not that, that's not lip balm. These two. This one is my favorite lip balm. This is a lipstick. Okay, our magical lip balm is done. Why this doesn't open? Yeah, it's finally open. I will just tap it up. And now which video I'm making, that's of course not edit. I invested also one video also, but my mother's going to edit that also. First she's going to edit one. Okay, I think I put a lot. Is it? Let's put some more. Now what I'm going to do, my pink lipstick. Yes. I'm check in the mirror. Let's check it in the mirror is coming or not. I think it is not coming. Oops, I put it a lot. I do here. Okay, it's ready. It's ready now. Now it's ready. Finally, it's ready. Okay, my lips are ready. My cheeks are ready. Now just my blush is ready. Not you ready. Sit down. Oops, put lipstick. I think I want to put some light lipstick today. So I'll put some dark. Blood is coming. Okay, my makeup is being finished. Okay, my pink. Actually, this one really doesn't work. Actually, this one doesn't really work, I think so. Let's take down another one. Now let's keep it. And I'm ready for today. From morning, I took bath. I didn't from late. I took bath. And from then I didn't do my hair. I did my hair. You can see back. I washed it. So yeah. And my makeup is done here. I think I'm gonna end the video right over here. So see you later, guys. See you soon. See you later, guys. Bye. Hope you be safe from coronavirus, because there's a lot of coronavirus walking around all the countries. Bye.